Hello, you are welcome to Bindu Visarga. Today we will try to learn how we can remove linear and non-linear distortion of an image. I have an example of this image. On this image you can see the flatness of the image. It was on some oval surface and the picture was taken using a camera. So this will be my input and I'm going to use some software that called WiseImage. WiseImage is a product of CSoft. So I'm going to use the product WiseImage and try to eliminate the distortion of the image, and we'll try to flatten the image on a flat surface. So let's go to WiseImage. I'll open the image from File, then Open, and I'll browse the path. So this is the sample and click OK. So it will open in the workspace of WiseImage. WiseImage is a huge application and this is specifically designed for the engineers to make engineering changes on raster drawings or PDF and to remove all the image related issues. So now we can go to, initially we need to make sure the working zone of the image. So we can say this is the working zone of the image. We don't need the entire image, we need only this rectangle shape. So it's better to cut out the working zone from the entire drawing. So I'm going to use the crop function in WiseImage. So we can use snap, so we'll use raster snap, or maybe we can use vector snap because this is a vector, the image frame. So this is my first point, and my next point for the crop will be this one. So this is now my working zone. So on this image I'm going to use tools called Calibration, and I'll get the tool from menu called Image and click on Calibration. Just click on Calibration. Now I need to make, before going to the calibration, it's better if I can select the whole image and I can say move this point, or maybe I can say this point to 0, 0. So the entire thing will be moved to 0, 0, right? My next step will be the calibration, obviously. So I'll go to calibration now, and these are the points I have. I can delete the previous points, you can delete it. I'll delete all the points. So I can measure the size of the image little bit. We can go to tools and coordinate system, or we need to check the unit. So yes, we have in millimeter. So now we can go to tools and we'll say measure, and now we have the tools of measure to measure. So approximately, so from this end I can say ortho off this end. This is approximately 350 1 millimeter, and the vertical is something around, this is 118 millimeters. So this is fine. Now I should go to back on the calibration tools. So I'll go to image and find the calibration functions. So at the beginning I need to create grid. So on my case I'll need only one cell, and the X, this one, so I can say that I need X something around 350 and something, this is okay, 100. So I say preview, so it will come something like this. So we can say okay. On this case we can readjust the image little bit. We can move the image this point. We should make this point to 0, 0, so it will give us even more better idea. Go back to the calibration tools. So now it looks even more logical. So this is okay. And now what we need to add points. So we are telling the applications that real point is basically is here, and the measure point is actually here. So it should move to these locations. Similarly, I should tell the applications the real point is actually somewhere here, and the measure point is actually here, so it should move somewhere else. Similarly, I need 2 more points, so forget about the portions we already lost. So we can say the real point is actually this, and the measure point is actually somewhere, you can say this one. So add, and one more point. These are 4 mandatory points you have to calibrate an image. So I can say this is my real point, and the measure point will be this one obviously. So I'll just say okay, and the points, these points are not required actually, so you can delete it. So I have only the 4 points I used. So now we can click on estimates. So once you click on estimates, you should not find an error, so the error should be 0. So this is all fine. Now you basically choose automatically. So these are different complex mathematical calculations. So on my case I'll choose only automatic, keep it simple. Now apply on the image. So once you say apply, it will try to fetch the entire image. So now it's flat. Now you on this case you can actually go again to crop and say rectangle, and in real practice basically I need this portion, only this portion, nothing else. So I'll cut out the other portions. So now you can see the entire image is flattened, and it's quite easier now for the viewer to view and read informations on the image. Not only this one, you can take any examples. You can use the calibration tool to eliminate any sort of image distortions. Apart from the image calibrations, you have tools like 4-point corrections. This will also remove image distortions. Obviously, you have tools like disq that will also remove image distortions. You can click on auto, or you can go to disq and select manual, and you can say you want to rotate image by 2 degrees, so it will rotate by 2 degrees. So these are all different options to eliminate image distortions. Okay, so thank you. We will discuss further on different topic of WiseImage. We'll probably show you how you can actually improve quality of any raster images or PDF on upcoming videos on our channel, that is Bindu Vishargal. So please subscribe for our next releases. I hope this will help in your design practice, or in your, if you are dealing with images. So this should help a lot. Thank you very much.